We're vlogging. Should I do horizontal or vertical? I feel like horizontal. Yeah. We're packing up in our glamorous room. I chose a bad day to not put on eyelashes in the morning.
Chose a bad day to stop sniffing glue.
We got the cannabis. Thanks, Paul. This is a spot to pack something, right? Ooh, ooh. That looks so scary. Who loads a van like this? Us. It's all gonna fall over when I drive anyway, if I drive. If I'm nominated to drive.
Not that one.
Not that one.
Wait a minute. Am I dumb?
No, you're sure.
Wait a minute.
Oh, that's the one. That's the key.
Yeah.
Maybe brake, yeah. Or wiggle the wheel. There we go. Woo! And we're off. I got my lashes on in the car. This is important content. If anyone was wondering.
Red Lobster vlog.
Red Lobster time. Thanks, Fairwinds. Is this really dirty?
Fairwinds.
No, how's it go? Got Fairwinds, my rasa. They be feeding me pasta and lobster. Okay, we're setting up our booth.
Yeah, I mean, now we work the fake shop.
Okay, I'm literally the worst vlogger of all time. I forgot to give us an Airbnb tour until the dark, and I'm taking off my makeup. Don't look at me! Okay, first of all, I need to show you Jade's bathroom. Is anyone in here? Okay, I'm bringing a camera onto the premises. What if God was one of us? Super nice stuff. I will be showering in Jade's bathroom. Not sorry. Ask for forgiveness, not permission. I should probably actually ask for permission so she doesn't walk in on me, but. HR, let's get into some actual lighting, yeah? Okay, Airbnb. Okay, Airbnb. Look at this little baby. And by little baby, I mean nice fancy house. She is gorgeous to me. All right, well, I'll try to be a better vlogger tomorrow, but don't expect that. Anyway, we're all settled in. We're all set up. Hopefully tomorrow I actually remember to record a time lapse. I probably won't, but I'm gonna try. Well, I wonder why I have no short-term memory. Yeah, right. Morning down. Safety meeting. I'm vlogging, by the way, guys. I'm doing a safety meeting vlog. Oh. Day one. How do you feel? Good. The snow is crazy, actually, though.
I'm a little.
We got breakfast. Not the candy, the breakfast. Stickers. We got our coloring book out. Things are set up, ready for photos. Photo booth. This thing is mobile. Ignore my breakfast sandwich in my fingers. I'm gonna grab this with my pinky. Just touch my breakfast sandwich to that. No one talk about it. And yeah, it's a little mobile cart. Alexis just finished up the booth for meetings. Shout out her, shout out sales. A little party moment. Woo! She's adorable. Okay, sound effect. Vlog time. Hi, vlog. Vlog, we're so tired. Vlog, we need Red Bull.
Hey!
It's the end of day one.
We did it.
We did it. How do we all feel, everybody?
Ready for round 2.
I need another Red Bull. Jade, how are you feeling day 2? Amped.
Yeah.
Day 2, baby. Woo!
So fun.
Yay! All right, vlog. Shout out Captain Yeti for the sunglasses because I didn't pack any this whole trip, and I'm gonna need them on this long drive home during rush hour in the Seattle area. Pray for us. Yeah, but we're on our way home. I got my combos. I don't know why. And my vitamin water. It's been a really great time hanging out with friends, making new ones, reconnecting with old ones, getting to see new products, new packaging, and having a good time. I freaking love safety meeting. I'm so excited for the next one. We'll make it another one to remember.